Hey everyone, welcome back to AI video creation. How to make stunning videos with AI step-by-step guide. We are diving into an exciting topic, how to create amazing videos with artificial intelligence. Whether you are looking to make YouTube videos, social media ads, or even products demos, AI tools can make video creation faster, easier, and incredibly powerful. So let's jump in. Now you might wonder why use AI. Here are the three big reasons that I can say you. Number one is speed. AI can cut down your production time by handling repetitive tasks, allowing you to go from concept to final video in hours instead of days. And the number two is accessibility. You don't need to high level skills like expensive software. AI tools makes professional video production accessible to beginners and small teams. And number three, enhanced creativity. AI tools suggest ideas, visuals, and even tones, helping you push your creative boundaries. And if you are a beginner, you are looking for some tips and tricks and the step-by-step process how we can create the prompt, and then finally how we can use the tools that free and also you can download from there. I will show you the step-by-step process, only 3 steps. I will show you how you can generate the prompts using Gemini, and then finally how you can use a free tools. Finally, how you can download, and also you can add different kind of footages, images, okay, and finally you can upload into your social media platform like YouTube, TikTok, or whatever else. Okay, you can generate short video, you can generate long video, you can generate animation, movies, or short films, and many others. Okay, so let's get it started. So before jumping to the video, if you are first time watching this video, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos, different AI tools and tips and tricks how we can make money on YouTube. Okay, so if you are interested in this niche, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that when I get upload you can notify. Alright guys, our first section is we have to create the prompt. So we can use Gemini, ChatGPT, or other AI tools. Okay, and it's very simple, anyone can do this. You don't have to high skill to create prompt section. Okay, I just write it here, I just wrote it here. I want to create AI videos using AI tools. I need some text prompts so that I can use it to create AI videos. That is my first command or text. That's mean I wrote it to Gemini. So Gemini send me some awesome prompt section. Here we go. Sure, here are some text prompts that you can use to create AI videos. These are the general prompts. Very simple. A person walking through a park on a sunny day. A cat playing with a ball of air. Okay, a dog chasing its tail. These are the general prompts. Scroll down and you will find a specific prompts. I love this, it's really good. A person walking through a park on a sunny day with a focus on the person face expression. A cat playing with a, also scroll down, you will see the creative prompts. Okay, the variation of prompts, you can try each one of them. Okay, a person walking through, all right, and scroll down, AI video prompts, a futuristic city with flying cars and skyscrapers, a robot walking through a park on the sunny day. All right, and the story prompts that we are looking for. Maybe you want to create a story so that you can upload on YouTube or social media and you can make money. So a person walking through a forest, when they came across a hidden door, they open the door and they find themselves in the magical world. Okay, a group of people are having a picnic in the park when they are suddenly attacked by a giant monster. Alright guys, so I will use this one. So these are the story prompts. So also you can write as a story prompts. That's mean you are asking Gemini to give some story prompts. I think you will get this awesome story prompts. So we are going to use this one and the first one. Okay, so let's copy the first one and go to hailuo.ai.video. So enter this link into your browser, hailuo.video, and you will see it's a Hailuo AI beta version, reimagine video creation. So first of all, you have to sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, so I am using my Gmail account and I have got 100 free credit. And this is the first page, this is the first option where you can see, you will see a option where you have to write the story. Okay, so already we copied the story, then paste it here. Okay, this is the story. A person walking through a forest when they came across the hidden door. And when you generate a video, it will goes to directly mine. That's mean click on mine I just created this video and I showed how I created this video in the last videos. So check out my YouTube channel and discover. That's mean you will find the different videos and images over there. So you can easily download from here. So you don't need to create this kind of videos. Okay. Also, if you want to create this kind of videos, so you can copy their prompt section. Okay. It's very simple. Just hover the mouse and you will see the prompt section. Okay. So you can copy the prompt. All right guys, so but we are want to create a scratch video. That's mean from very beginning. Okay, this is the video, so let's click on here so that we can generate a video. All right guys, so our video generation is in progressing. We will use another one, that's mean this one, and I will show you the final results also. All right guys, our first video is 70% done. So while it's growing, so let's click on subscribe. That's mean, is it really free? Is it really you can create the AI video completely free? Yes guys, here you can see up to 3 tasks in queue, bonus credits for daily login. So that's mean every day you can create 3 videos. When you log in, you will get the credit section. So every day you can create 3 videos. So I think as a beginner, as a student, or so you can use these tools. It's completely free though, because you can create 3 videos. That's enough for the beginner. All right guys, so our first video is ready. So let's play the video. So this is the video guys, 6 seconds video. So let's play the video. The man is walking, all right, and find a door over there. This is the door and this is the magical world. Okay, so I'm really interested to go in there. Okay, so look at the guys, the scenario, forest. It's really cinematic and it's really movie scene. Okay, so we can create a movie like this, adding different kind of videos. Anyway guys, so let's download this video. How we can download? It's free to download. Just click on download and it will download it into your device. All right guys, finally our second video is ready. So this is our second video. So let's play the video guys. Okay, so before playing the video, so let's see the prompts. A group of people are having a picnic when they are suddenly attacked by a giant monster. Okay, so let's play the video. This is the real scenario guys, the forest. They are having fun, some group of people's friends. Okay, so let's play the video. Yo, this is the giant guys. Oh my goodness, we can edit this prompt like we can add some they run away. Okay, the group of people, they run away or they are screaming, something like this. Okay, so you can edit and you can recreate this. And that's it for today's video on AI video creation. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial like this one. Let me know in the comment which AI tools you are excited to try. Until next time, keep creating.